The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a tornado warning for western Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, eastern Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along a line extending from near Mazeppa to near Chatfield, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornadoes and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. Multiple tornadoes have been reported with these storms. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Rochester, Wabasha, St. Charles, Plainview, Chatfield, Iota, Lewiston, Orinoco, Elgin, Mazeppa, Dover, Altura, Kellogg, Marion, Saratoga, Viola, West Albany, Utica, Troy, and Bremen. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 218 and 239. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.